In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Flexclip. By the end, you'll know how to set up a team or workspace, invite members, share projects, and collaborate smoothly without missing a beat. Start by heading to the Flexclip website and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base where recent projects and key controls live. If you don't see your projects right away, give it a moment to load or refresh the page so you're working with the latest view. Next, open the team or workspace settings, look to the top right, and click your profile icon. In the menu that appears, you'll find an option labeled Team, Workspace, or sometimes Collaboration Settings depending on the version you're using. All of these lead to the same place, the area where you manage team members and permissions. If the wording looks a little different on your screen, that's normal. Just choose the option that mentions Teams or Collaboration. Now create your new team or workspace. Click Create Team or Create Workspace and give it a clear, recognizable name like Content Team or Marketing. Simple, consistent naming makes it easier to organize projects later. When you're ready, click Create. Your team or workspace is now set up and ready to use. With the space created, invite the people you'll collaborate with. Click Invite Members, enter their email addresses, and if the option is available, assign roles such as Admin, Editor, or Viewer. Admins typically manage settings and members. Editors can work directly on projects, and viewers can look over work without making changes. Send the invitations, and your teammates will receive an email prompting them to join. To start working together on actual videos, open a project you want to share. Click Share, choose the teammates or the team space you created, and set the right permissions. For example, give edit access to collaborators who will build the timeline, and view only access to stakeholders who just need to review. Confirm your choices to finalize sharing. From here, collaboration becomes seamless. Your team can jump into the same project, make edits, leave comments, and share feedback in real time. This is especially helpful for client approvals, social content calendars, or any workflow where multiple people contribute to the final cut. Keep communication clear in comments and review access settings periodically to maintain control over your assets. That's it. Your team is live, your projects are shareable, and you're ready to collaborate efficiently in Flexclip.